Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. On today's video I am going to discuss about 8 mistakes that kills your laptop. Number 1. Keeping your laptop dusty and dirty. That means no ventilation. If you are not servicing your laptop for a long period of time, then there is a heat sink inside the laptop which sucks air from outside and cools down the processor through a heat sink fan. Suppose if you are not doing service to your laptop for a longer period of time, that means all the dusty things will accumulate on the vent and the air will not pass from your heat sink, and that will cause more heat to your laptop. That means less life to your laptop. Number 2. Opening your laptop carelessly. We have seen many people do not handle their laptop properly. That means while opening the laptop, like this they hold it, or they open it from the corner, or the way they like. This will hamper the hinges of the laptop. If you do not open it properly, the load on the laptop will be on the corners of the laptop. That means it's a carelessness and it will damage your hinges of your laptop, and then further it will damage your motherboard as well, or maybe the screen itself. Number 3. Not shutting down your laptop properly. Many people leave their laptop not shutting down. This may also cause unnecessary problems, like we do not know what the settings are applied on the laptop. It may remain permanently on, or it may go to sleep. If it is going into sleep, it may come back to life again when we shake the mouse or re-click the power button. But most of the time this also causes problem. Number 4. Using the compatible charger instead of using original charger. Using the compatible charger causes many problems, like your mouse doesn't work properly, it may shake here and there, or it may not move properly. And also if there is a voltage surge, it may hamper your laptop motherboard. Sometimes motherboards get spoiled due to not using the original charger. So I recommend you always use original charger rather than using compatible chargers. Number 5. Installing unauthorized or unnecessary application to your laptop. While surfing the internet, you may come across many applications which you install unknowingly. Whenever something like this happens, you have to check it on your control panel, that if there is unnecessary files or software installed in your PC. It may be virus or it may be something else that causing your PC to get slower. So you have to uninstall all those unnecessary files to boost your laptop properly, or to work or to function your laptop properly. You have to uninstall all those unnecessary applications. Number 6. Keeping laptop always on charging. This is a bad habit of many of the people. Like once we connect the charger, we never remove the charger. That means every time it will be on charging mode. Whereas if you want to get 100% out of your battery, we have to utilize your battery from 10% to 19%, 90%. So whenever you charge, remove your charger, use it from the battery, and then when it comes to 10 to 20%, again plug your charger. So this is the right method. If you do not follow this may also ruin the life of your battery as well as your laptop motherboard. Number 7. Turning on your laptop when laptop is wet. That means if you are traveling anywhere outside and there is a rain, or there is a circumstances where your kid or somebody, or while drinking something, water fell on your laptop and you turned on your laptop. This causes shock on the motherboard and motherboard goes to dead. So do not on the laptop when there is a water or there is a moisture on the laptop. When you are traveling, especially outside, and there is a rainwater on your bag or maybe on your electronics or laptop. Number 8. Not getting serviced once in a year or a 2 year. If you do not get service done of your laptop, it may also cause problems. Like if you are using a gaming laptop which produces more heat, and your fan, there are 2 fans to cool it down. If you do not get service done once in a year or twice, or once in a 2 year, it may suck all the dirt across your room or wherever you travel, and it jammed your cooling vent, and that will lead to drying of your NVIDIA or your PCH wherever the cooling heatsink is attached, like graphic chip, etc. Okay, so these are the 8 points. If you keep in your mind and if you follow it, the life of your laptop will definitely increase and you don't have to bring it to us for a repair. So if you find whatever points I have mentioned useful, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.